Welcome to April 20th through 24th, day 5 of ESOL instruction for newcomers grades 6 through 8. It's Mr. Ebeling. This presentation is based on the grades 6 through 8 newcomer ESOL April 20th to 24th, day 5 paper packet. These paper packets can be picked up at meal distribution centers throughout Baltimore. The center closest to Highlandtown Elementary Middle School is John Rura Elementary School. The school address is 701 Rapola Street, Baltimore, Maryland 21224. On the first page of day 5, we are directed to look at the picture and record what we notice and what we wonder. The name of the painting is The U.S. Pennsylvania off Mount Desert Island, Maine, by Thomas Birch. When I look at the painting, I notice 2 ships on the water, a boat on the shore, and people walking on the beach. I wonder where and when this is and who these people are. In this next section, we have pictures of the 8 vocabulary words we need to focus on. This is a picture of character. A character is the person or people in a story. The characters in this story, Swiss Family Robinson, are the mother, father, and 4 boys. This is a picture of setting. A setting is the place where a story happens. The setting of Swiss Family Robinson is an island on the ocean. This is a picture of problem. A problem is the difficult thing that the characters have to solve. The problem in this part of the story is that the family has no food. This is a picture of solution or solved. A solution is the thing that solves or fixes the problem. The solution to my problem was to ask for help. This is a picture of story. A story is a short tale or what happens in a book. The story was about a family who shipwrecked in the ocean. This is a picture of hungry. Hungry is when you need or want to eat. I am so hungry, I want to eat lunch right now. This is a picture of cook. To cook is to heat food to eat. The family is going to cook the lobster and eat it. Read the short story from the Swiss Family Robinson. When the Swiss Family Robinson arrive on the island, they are hungry and alone. There are no people on the island and no stores or buildings. The only people on the island are mother, father, and the 4 boys, Fritz, Ernest, Jack, and Franz. They are so hungry, everyone needs to work together to find food on this island. Mother says she will make a fire to cook dinner. Father helps to build the fire, and Mother tells the 3 boys to go and find some food to add to the soup. Little Jack ran on the beach. Ernest went to look at some rocks, and Fritz finds the guns. They are all looking for anything they can cook and eat. Suddenly, Father hears little Jack yell, "Ah! Help! Help! Help!" he cried. Father runs to find him. He sees Jack standing on the beach by some rocks with a large lobster on his foot. "Help! The lobster pinched me with his claws." Father runs to help, and together they pull the lobster off. "Good work, Jack," says Father. "This lobster will be delicious for dinner." Jack brings the lobster back to the fire, and the family is excited to cook and eat it. The problem is solved. Directions. Read the word in question for each story element on the left. Then draw a line to match it to the story element in Swiss Family Robinson. Match these words: characters, setting, problem, solution. On an island in the middle of the ocean, Jack finds a lobster that they can cook and eat. Mother, father, and the 4 boys, Franz, Ernest, Jack, and Franz. They are hungry and they don't have any food. An island in the middle of the ocean is the setting. Jack finds a lobster that they can cook and eat is the solution. Mother, father, and the 4 boys, Franz, Ernest, Jack, and Franz, are the characters. They are hungry and they don't have any food is the problem. Write about the story elements in this part of Swiss Family Robinson. Use the word bank and sentence starters to help you. Word bank. problem, setting, solution, characters. The blank in the story are mother, father, and the four boys, Franz, Ernest, Jack, and Franz. The characters have a big problem. They have to work together to find a solution. The blank in the story is that they are hungry and they don't have any food to eat. The blank of the story is an island in the middle of the ocean. They are alone on that island, so they have no people to help them find food. The boys all go to look for food while their mother makes a fire. Finally, there is a blank to the problem. Jack finds a delicious lobster that they can cook and eat. Good work, Jack. The story elements of character, setting, problem, and solution are part of every story. They are a part of every movie and TV show too. Think of a favorite story, book, movie, or TV show that you like. Write about the story elements. Who are the characters? What is the setting? What problem are the characters facing? How do they find a solution? Optional activities and resources for this lesson are: watch the movie or TV show Swiss Family Robinson. You can find it on YouTube. Download the book to read in English, Spanish, or other languages. It's free public domain. Practice reading the summary aloud until you can read it fluently. Identify the character, setting, problem, and solution in other TV shows, movies, or books that you read. This is the end of the presentation. Please complete as much of the packet as you can if you have one. More presentations will be posted as they are created. Remember to be safe, stay 6 feet away from people when you are away from your home, and wash hands as often as you can. Goodbye for now, Mr. Ebeling.